ka Committee on Empowerment of Women jungka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly haka arpo tarik jeliu arajar arpuar kala lumlang ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women, Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Right. Bade katanat pulit halor ka jingshah pynïap ki arngut ki hebret hala ujong ukupa kabalaja haka laipo tarik jamang arajar arpuar haka shnong Nongrah. Habai kran berkinong tok kubor hadin balawai ka ïatreilang kakong amparin lengdo kabade ka chairperson jungka komiti. Kala itu baka komiti kelalap bakamdon ka ïatreilang apadeng kini ki artili ki commission lembat katanat pulit halor ketika jingshah. Bat ka komiti kalap tha ya kini ki laitili ki sinat rekam bakin chong perkhat sani ya kini kakam bat ban aya ka pot apo ki khatan sengi.
Kajing pun bor le jinge sai ka bentar pun ya ka bor jung ki kentai bagi tulung ki kena jong ka dorbar tauan jong kejela Meghalaya nilaya kendu iki pulit rengkat ha kajing don lang jong a chairperson jong the Commission for Empowerment of Women but the Commission for Protection of Child Rights jong kejela jongi akabang nilaya kentu jur iki pulit baki don kan ban kre marmar ya kita ki jing pentip kita ki jing songtho jing lak ka jongki ha kane ka jing jurit persha ya ule ube urangba ubala shim no ya ka jing em jongki arngut ikon ki badang khlong khna nginum shong that nginum thekti bat nginum sha ban yo I bakum kane ka jingja kan wan jab yang kami ke jela ko ke jongi nilai kren ni kita ki kendon ki babun ki ba lesi ki nong shong shnong hasatlak jong kani ke jela ka jongi ki la on bo jingmut jin pakat ha ka jabe ke jongki ban ngila pa ni ka jing pensyai ni ki kulit ya ki katto ka ni kali ki kendon ban kali hangno kani ka kes kana poi ni so ba kani ka kes la shim kia ba nismau ba kita kijing lat kijing duna hangi hangtai omdei ban sha bat la da don kam ban shim kia ya kitu ki ba khlem pendep ha ne khlem trei hok ya ka kam jongki ha ka por ka ba ki ban ja kum gini kijing len shop ha ka im la ka sa lang ru ni kum ka komiti ni ong banginum syak yano ru ban lesting ya kum kini ki jingja kani ke jingja kala ai du ini kata ke jing yo I jingai ya kita ki jingja ki baja ki balesi lada lala ban shim ya ka action ha ka por ka biang lesi kum kini ki jingja ki num ja shu ngin bordel ngin la ban ya tho ya barok kita ki jingja khana jumi ha ka jingja lang ban step Nrengi ai kawai pajing pentip su upat ba kata kalong panginom siyang that kadu ba kata ka justice lani kata ka bainong nakabenta kini ki arngut ki het ki barit ki jumi kanumlong kaba ban pendu ya kayi kasab jumki kani ka kes ru kala hikaya ni shibon ki iki ba plan ladala ban shim ki action hakapor ko biang lesi ki babun di jingja sodong tu ki la unja ngimna bangin yan haidin syakata reni ke panang ni syakmat kani kalolong ko wi jing penhikai ko krawan nang ta jing wa lang ila shudo ai angut ki ki mensim loi ki bam shim don kanu ka jing dai ban kayin kesem haka balawan jabun kani jingja. We have talked about these two important dimensions of this case. And we have expressed as a committee our concern to the police authority that these apparent lapses should be verified. Was there a lapse? It is to be verified by the Empowerment Committee. The Women Commission and the Child Protection Commission. They will sit with the police and they will go step by step through all of those perceived understanding of what likely happened or didn't happen. But this is a big learning that domestic violence under no circumstances should be brushed away under the carpet on a perceived notion that everything was all right between the couple, which led to the murder of these two young victims. To be investigated upon, but henceforth, these cases need to be taken seriously. I'm assured now, in my personal experience, that out of 10 complaints on domestic violence in any police station, unlikely that one or even two will be taken up. Now we need to verify this with facts. We cannot presume, because this is a big allegation you're making against the police force in the state of Meghalaya. And we are not in a position to make those accusations at anyone until and unless the commissions do their diligence and make sure that they get these informations, prepare a report, and we will review the report by these two commissions in a later date.